Invoice Summarizer, an app to export bank statements from PDF files to Excel or Tally. With simple steps, users can export data. For this, first, the user needs to create a bank account. For this, go to Settings by clicking User Account and then click Setting Action button. The app shows the setting pop-up window. Now click General Ledgers. The app navigates to the General Ledger master page. Here click the Add Action button. Now the app shows the ledger creation page. Here enter your bank name, select account group, and select the appropriate PDF setting template for the bank. Next, click the Save and Close Action button. The app creates a bank ledger and navigates back to the General Ledger master page. Next, importing the bank statements. To import bank statements, go to the dashboard by clicking the Dashboard menu. In the dashboard page, click Import Bank Statement. The app shows the bank statements page. Here click the Import Action button. Now the app shows the Import Bank Statement page. Here, select Bank Account from the drop-down list. Choose a PDF file, then click the Preview Action button. Now, the bank transaction data is shown in the table. While exporting data, some additional content may be exported for some banks. Users can delete such entries by clicking the Delete Action button. To download an Excel file, click the Download Action button. The app will show the export options. Here users can download data as Excel file or CSV file. Select your choice of file and click the OK Action button. The app will show the Save As dialog window. Give the appropriate file name and click the Save Action button. Next, exporting data to Tally. To export data to Tally, the user must specify the posting ledger for each transaction. For this, the user needs to create ledgers. Follow the steps shown at the beginning, how to create a bank account. While creating the ledger, select an appropriate account group for the posting ledger. Leave the PDF setting field blank for the posting ledgers. After creating ledgers, select the posting ledger in the table. Use the page navigations to navigate to the next page and previous pages, and the scroll slider to scroll up and down. After specifying the posting ledgers for all transactions, click the Import Action button. Now the app imports bank transactions and navigates back to the bank statements page. The bank statements page shows all the data imported from the PDF file by imported date and bank ledger. Each row has an Eclipse button to show the row action button. Click on the Eclipse button and click the Export to Tally action button. The app asks for user confirmation. After confirming, the app exports data to Tally XML format and shows a Save As a window. The user can save the exported data to the appropriate folder with a suitable file name. When the user clicks the Save button, the browser prompts to save XML data for security reasons. Click the Save button to save the XML file. Next, importing data in Tally. In Tally, open the company for which the user is importing bank transactions. Click Import Action at the top menu bar, then click Transactions. Tally will show the Import Transaction window. Here, specify the file path where you saved the exported data and select the file name. After selecting the file, click Enter. Tally will import all the bank transaction entries. Thanks for listening with great patience. For more details, WhatsApp us at 94837-65939. Visit www.invoicesummarizer.com. Register today to avail early bird discounts. Try it now with a 1-month free subscription.